Hello guys, my name is Preetham. Today I am going to explain the topic of operator. There are basically seven kind of operator. That is arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, membership operators, and identity operator. Now we will see one by one all kind of operator. Let us start from arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operators, there are basically seven kind of operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. Now we will see one by one. Addition operation adds two values on either side of the operator. Subtraction operation subtracts right hand operand from left hand operand. Multiplication operation multiplies values on either side of the operator. Division operation divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns quotient. Modulus operation divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns remainder. Exponential operation performs exponential calculation on operator. Floor division, the division operands where result is the quotient in which digits after the decimal points are removed. Only that is the difference between the division and the floor division. Now we will see them of this one by one. Now let us assume the value of a as 10 and b as 20. First we will do addition operation, that is a plus b. The a plus b, since the value of a is 10 and b is 20, 10 plus 20, 30. But subtraction operation, a minus b, 10 minus 20, the answer is minus 10. Multiplication operation, 10 star 20, that is 10 multiplied by 20, answer is 200. Modulus operation, b percentage a, that is b modulus c, 20 modulus 10. The since the 20 is completely divided by 10, the remainder is 0, so the answer is 0. A star b, that is 10 star 20, that is 10 to the power 20. The answer will be this much. Now we will see next kind of operation, that is comparison operators. Comparison operator is used to compare the two values. There are basically these many operators, comparison operators are there. First we will study equal to equal. If the both values are equal, it will print the result as true. Not equal, it will check whether the value of a is not equal to b. If the condition satisfies, it will print as true. And this operation will also do the same. It will check whether a is not equal to b. If the condition satisfied, it will print as true. Greater than, it will check whether a is greater than b or not. If a is greater than b, it will print as true. Less than, it will check whether a is less than b or not. If condition satisfies, it will print as true. Is greater than or equal to b. If the a is greater than or equal to b, it will print as true. Next, a is less than or equal to. It will check whether value of a is less than or equal to b. If the condition satisfies, it will print as true. Now we will see the demo of this one by one. First, since the value of a is 10 and b is 20, in the first comparison operator, the a equal to b, it will print the result as false since the 10 and 20 are not equal. A is not equal to b, that is 10 is not equal to 20, that is true, so it will print as true. A greater than b, that is 10 is greater than 20, is false, so it will print the result as false. A less than B, that is 10 less than 20 is true, so it will print the result as true. A is greater than or equal to B. 10 is greater than or equal to 20 is false, so it will print as false. A less than or equal to B. 10 less than or equal to 20 is true, so it will print as true. Now we will see the next kind of operators, that is assignment operator. That assignment operator is used to assign the values to the another variables. That is, there are equal to operator, add and operator, subtract and operator, multiply and operator, divide and operator, modulus and operator, exponent and operator, and floor division operator. Now we will see the demo of this operator one by one. C plus equal to A means C equal to C plus A. Since the value of C is 30 and the value of A is 10, C equal to C plus A, that is 30 plus 10, the answer will be 40. Next, C minus equal to A. C equal to C minus A. Since the value of C is 40 and the value of A is 10, the answer will be 40 minus 10, that is 30. C equal to C star A. Since the value of C is 30 and the value of A is 10, the answer is 30 multiplied by 10, answer is 300. C divided by or equal to A, that is C equal to C by A, that is 300 by 10, and the value will be assigned to C, the answer will be 30. C percentage equal to A, that is C equal to C by A. Since the value of C is 30 and the value of A is 10, 30 divided by 10, the remainder will be 0, so the answer is 0. C star star equal to A. Since the value of A is 10 and the value of C is 0, it will do the calculation as C to the power A, that is 0 to the power anything is 0. So the answer is 0. C equal to 30, we are assuming a new value to the C, that is C equal to 30. C divided by equal to A, that is C equal to C by A, that is 30 divided by 10. It will print the quotient, so the answer will be 3. Now we will see next kind of operator, that is bitwise operator. There are binary AND operator, binary OR operator, binary XOR operator, binary ones complement, binary left shift, and binary right shift. Now we will see the demo of these operators one by one. Again I am assuming new values to A as 10 and B as 30. First, A AND with B, that is A bitwise AND with B, that is 10 bitwise ANDing with 30, the answer will be 10. It will AND bitwisely, that is binary operation. A or B, that is it will do the bitwise ORing between A and B, and 10 and 30, the answer will be 30. A XOR B, that is 10 XOR 20. It will do the bitwise XOR operation between the A and B, that is 10 XOR with 20, the answer will be 20. Not of A, that is complement of A, binary complement, since it will print the 2's complement of the A, that is A is 10, so, and the 2's complement will be minus 11. Next is left shift operation. A left shifted by 2 bits. A is 10. When we do the left shift of A by 2 bits, the answer will be 40. Next we will see the right shifting operation. A right shifted by 2. When the value of A is 40, when we do the right shift of A by 2, the answer will be 2. Next, we will see logical operators, that is AND logical AND, OR logical OR, NOT logical NOT. AND logical AND operator, it will do if both operands are true, then condition becomes true. That is, if both operands are not 0, it will print as true. OR logical OR, if any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. That is, like we are ORing with 0 with 1 or 1 with 0. 1 should be non-zero, then the answer is true. Not logical NOT. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. That is, example is NOT of A and B. If the answer of A and B is true, NOT of A and B, answer it will be giving as false. Next we will see membership operator, it is in, not in. In operator, it evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise, that is X in Y. Here in result in A, 1 if X is a member of sequence Y. Not in operator evaluates to true if it does not find a variable into the specified sequence and false otherwise. X not in Y. Example. Here not in results in a 1 if X is not a member of sequence Y. So it will check whether the given variable is in the other variable or not. Last kind of operator is identity operator. First identity operator is. It evaluates to true if the variables on either side of the operator point to the same object and false other. Example, X is Y. Here is results in 1 if d of X equals id of Y. Next identity operator is not. It evaluates to false if the variables on either side of the operator point to the same object and true otherwise. X is not Y. Example, X is not. Here is not results in 1 if id of X is not equal to id of Y. I hope all of you understood about all kind of operators, and by this I will be ending this video.